Are you looking to design a logo in Canva? Join me as I make my logo in Canva and stick around for the bonus to see how did I make my logo. Now you may be wondering, what is a business logo? A business logo is simple, a visual symbol that represents your company or your brand. A logo is simply often a combination of text and an image that is used to identify and distinguish a business from its competitors. The first benefit of a business logo you'll come to see is brand recognition. A strong logo helps customers quickly recognize and remember your brand. Like this logo I created right here in Canva for my Passive Profits Academy. The second benefits of a business logo is that marketing and promotion. A logo can be used in your marketing materials, your advertising, and social media to promote your brand. That means if you have a logo for your business, like I designed this in Canva for training purposes, like I Dallas Travels, Travel More, Pay Less, and you were to see this logo popping up on, let's say, Facebook or Instagram, it will start leaving like an imprint on your mind. You'll remember, oh, that's I Dallas Travels. I saw that before. And when time comes for you to look at travel deals, this logo may very well come to mind. So that's why you yourself want to have a business logo. And remember, you can design your logo in Canva. You're going to see how I go about doing that here. The third benefit of a business logo is professionalism. A logo can make your business appear more professional and established. Just like you see again, this logo that was designed in Canva. The only thing, this logo right here is not transparent. It does have this light shade, not light, but a shade of blue. The fourth benefit of a business logo, it builds trust and credibility. A well-designed logo can build trust and credibility with your customers. And that's saying, you know what, they take your business seriously because you take your business seriously to go that extra step and create a business logo. And that's so very easy to do here in Canva. Now, I make no money from sharing these Canva tutorials. However, when I do design in Canva, I find that I have shalom. So I hope that, as you watch these videos, if you do not yet have a logo, you're going to get that free 30-day trial of Canva Pro and start designing your logos. The fifth benefit of a business logo is brand identity. A logo conveys the personality, values, and mission of your business. Now, I'm sure there are many other benefits to having a logo, and one of them I even want to share here. First, sixth tip is that you, the business owner, will feel even more confident when you yourself see your own logo on your brand, on your marketing. And these are examples of business logos that I designed right here in Canva, and you can too. So we're gonna dive into the creating of my logo here in Canva. And like I promised, I did promise you a bonus. So a lot of times we do editing here on our laptop or my desktop. You're gonna discover that this logo was designed in Canva. To create a logo using your smartphone in Canva, we're going to click create design, and we're going to just simply type in logo, and we're selecting 500 by 500 pixels. There's different kind of logos. We're just going to use one that I used already that is pretty simple to create, and we're going to go with this variation. All you're going to do is come here, you're going to edit the text, okay? And that's Rose Dallas right there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to also edit the text right here for it to be Rose Dallas No. Again, this is being done on my Samsung, and you could do it on whatever phone that you're on. We're gonna go ahead and change the text to something that is more my kind of text, okay? And we're also gonna change this font right here, and I'm gonna change the colors to be more brand oriented, okay? So one of the reasons you want to have a logo is to stand out from the competition. You want to also set your brand apart. So when people see your logo, they'll remember your
So now that you know that you can create your logo on your cell phone in Canva, what will you create in Canva? For more cool Canva tips, be sure to watch my videos that I will be sharing here on my channel. And if you haven't done so, I kindly ask you to like this video and subscribe for when I go live eventually. Thanks for watching. And remember, I can, you can, Canva.